So ano yung meeting mo, Jane? What was the meeting about?
About sa dialysis center. Earning
money while touring. While touring.
Siyempre, kailangan.
Let's go. The attachment.
Let's go.
That you reach Nirvana.
Yes. Part of the wheel of samsara yan.
Financial.
Ha? Oo, ikaw yung kumakain ng marami, laki ng tiyan mo. Ikaw yun.
Only for money.
Oo.
Weird naman, sabi ni Bawal daw.
Pwede. Mga inaarangan ka.
Wheel of Samska yan. Wheel of Samska.
Anong
Sabi ni
Samska? Ano ba tayo?
Wheel of Samska.
Yung talaga naisip ko kanina.
So this is the bridge? Ay, not yet.
That's the bridge.
That's the bridge. There, I saw it na.
Kanyo
I think that's also popular.
Wish na.
Sikat din yan eh.
Actually, that bridge was built for the people connecting the zone.
Oh.
The zone, there's a administrative
Hindi.
center, right? So district food and agriculture, livestock, everything, every office are there. So in order to connect to that office, so they the government actually connect the bridge for them.
Yeah, it's very long. And was it renovated already? Not yet.
It is like in 2006.
Okay.
So it did wreck in
Typhoon
1960s.
from earthquake or?
This was first built in 1962.
Oh.
And then taken away by the flood.
Oh.
Second time it was they rebuilt it in 2000.
I will show you the suspension bridge. Jane, show them the suspension bridge.
Mukha natin nakikita eh.
Ayan.
Pupunta tayo dyan?
Yes, we will cross the bridge. Oh my God!
When you get there.
Let go, Jane! Let go!
Jane, dun ka magmuni-muni mula doon. Dapat pagaling mo doon may ano na.
Wala.
Oh, you can route again from there.
Susundin ba tayo doon?
Hindi, babalik tayo.
Ah, totoo ba?
Sakto lang yun. May decision ka na pagpalit mo.
Oo. Huwag kang hihinga ha. Pagtawid mo dun ha. Do not breathe.
Ay, di mo ba alam yung ano na yun? Magtatawid ka daw ng bago.
Mag-make wish ka.
Wish ka from the start.
Pero you have to hold your breath.
Sa last.
I cannot do that.
But we can
This is the bridge, suspension bridge. It was used, like what Kinley said, it was used for transporting goods from the Zong to the mainland.
Sinamalize mo lang eh.
Actually, inulit lang niya.
Okay. So that is the summary. What details of the bridge?
Hindi ako nakikita.
Details of the meeting.
Yeah, details of the meeting is what we want.
Secret.
Diba?
Confidential.
What we hear is that, okay lang ba yun, Doc? Okay lang ba yun? Magkano ba yun, Doc? Yun yung mga narinig namin kanina. So can we cross now?
100 people at a time, so there's no 100 people.
Yes.
Keep walking.
Okay. Ay. Ay. Picture? Ay, okay. Sorry. Wait, I'll take a picture as well.
Lalakad na kayo eh.
Okay, me too.
Oh, sino mauna?
Ako.
Vlogger.
Ako, vlogger. Jane, come. You're the second one. Yan. So we're now crossing the suspension bridge.
Wish
Jane.
daw kami. So,
Yeah, just wish.
good health.
Yes, wish first.
And prosperity.
Ay!
So, ngayon, ang wish namin is...
Huwag mo sabihin.
It's within our hearts na lang.
Hearts.
Yes. Pero, ayan, ito yung view namin. Click. Pak!
Pag mo ihulog yung...
Ayan, oo. Ito yung ganyan kababa talaga. Oh my God, natatakot na si Madam.
So, babalik pa tayo dito?
Oo.
Uy, ang haba nito.
This is the So this is the longest suspension bridge.
Ha? Panata.
Oh, this is the longest suspension bridge daw, Jane. Did you know that? Did you hear that while doing the meeting?
Yes.
Ito yung view. Yan. Oh, bridge and river. Oh my God. I'm scared.
Mas nagiging ano na sa gitna.
Oo, mas suspended. Meron pang nagpo-phone call. May mga flags dyan sa baba. Ayan, mga flags yan. So, medyo pagalaw na siya ng pagalaw. Ayan, o Jean. Lapit ka naman dito. Lapit ka dito, Jean. Come here, Jane. Oh. So, sabi mag-wish daw. Jane, wini-wish mo ba sa puso mo? Kung ano yung wish mo? Ang kailangan mo is guidance. Ah, shucks. Okay, come. Wait, let me shoot the people. Shoot the people. Come. Come.
Go. May tao sa likod mo kasi.
Yeah.
You're gonna shoot the people? Head?
Okay, Jean. Ano, you will go ahead na?
Yeah, but slower. I'm scared. Nanantahan lang kasi ko kasi nagpapasway.
Ako ba? Okay ka? Magaan ako, hindi ako nagpapasway. Okay na, we're halfway there. We're halfway. Jane! What?
Malayo ata eh.
Saan na sila, Pipo? Tumawid ba sila? Tumawid ba sila? Oh no? Buti na lang tayo, Jane. Hindi tayo takot. Takot ka ba, Jane? Takot ka ba, Jane?
Wala na tayo lang.
So, kailangan namin matlagpasan to kasi syempre, once in a lifetime lang to. Ayan sila. Ayan kami. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. 4 minutes na. Separate vlog to kasi 4 minutes na. Sila Pipo sumama? Hindi na. Andun pala sila eh. Tsaka maganda naman yung sa dulo, oh. Ate, wala akong ginagawa.
Kasi tinawa mo. Magpabilis ka, oh.
Hindi ako yon, sila yon.
Tingnan mo. Oh, tingnan mo. Oh.
Hindi ako yon.
Oh.
1,000 yan, Eddie.
Oh my God, hindi ako gumagalaw. Ba't ko naman gagawin sa inyo yon? Now we're almost there. Hi. Woo! Amazing.
Continue moving, okay?
Yay! This is the end of the bridge. Diba? Ang ganda. Ito na si Jane. Ay, Wait lang. Oh, yan, jar. Woo! Oh, how was the experience? Scary? Scary. Wow, scary. Yeah, babalik pa tayo. How was the experience? What?
Vertiginous.
Wow. Hi. Amazing. Hindi ako yon.
Talaga?
Pero ulo ko. Oh, si Paul daw yon.
Kahit si King Lee sabi niya, who's doing that? I will...
Oy, wala. I'm not doing it. Hindi ako gumagano. Ano ako? Gusto kong pamatay?
Tumigil ka. Di ba? Ugal ka. Oh.
Hindi.
Talaga yung kuya. Kasi gano'n ano.
Hanggang ko. Paano ko nagawa yun?
Selfie muna.
Bago tayo.
Ah, sige. Ito. Wait lang.
Picture.
Gamitin natin to.
Tapos sabay-sabay lang.
Wait, ayaw, Jane.
Ako.
Picture na naman.
Kasi na-video mo.
Wait lang, ito.
Eh, kasi na-record mo pa.
Ay, 5 minutes talaga yung lakad natin kanina.
Asa mo talaga.
Si Deary.
Deary! Hindi pwedeng mawala si Deary sa tabi ko. O, ako na naman yon. Ganda, oh. Very nice. So this is now going back to where we started. So how did they get the car in here, there, or other road here? Okay. There's a car there, but there's a road here. So they traveled through here. Jane, harap. How's the experience? Don't be scared. Don't look down. Just this is what's down there. Yan. Sige. Let's turn. Yan. So we're about to return to our car. Go home and relax for a little. Maybe have dinner and do bonfire. Maybe barbecue. So, ano natin muna? I-analyze muna natin na ba nandito ka? Ano ba yung mga verdict natin sa pagkain?
Medyo buttery.
Okay.
And then, okay naman.
Okay, medyo actually yung pinaka-issue sa amin yung spicy.
Pero ako, I can tolerate spicy.
Yes. O, meron kasi sila ditong parang tradition na hindi sila pumapatay ng animals.
Yes.
So I think more on mga plants talaga sila, vegetables.
So if ever kakain ng chicken or ng mga pork,
kailangan dead na siya.
O di kaya import.
Yes, sa ibang
from
bansa.
India, usually.
Yes. So yun yung mga verdict namin sa food. Medyo kailangan mong mamili. Tapos parang very vegetable, no? Vegetable,
Yes.
cheese, chili.
Yes.
Ano pa? Yung hospitality nila, kamusta yung hospitality?
Very hospitable. Kasi pag kasalubungin ka sa airport, may silk, ano ba yung wine?
How about sa mga restaurant?
Ang napansin namin is ayaw nila na kami yung kukuha ng water, itupupour namin sa glass namin. Sila dapat yung magpupour ng water or mga drinks.
Actually, gusto nilang nagsaserve sila. So, kasi minsan kaya naman namin. Pero minsan gusto talaga nila sila ang nag-hand over ng plate.
Tsaka ayaw nila ng maraming utensil. So, pag after mo kumain, nililigpit na nila agad.
So, very different sila talaga sa atin. So, masinop sila, very masinop. Okay, o diba? Gawa natin yun dito habang naglalakad sa suspension bridge.
Okay nga, kuya.
Galing.
Galing mo.
Kinley, what do you think about our group?
Yeah,
Awesome.
Be honest, Kinley.
That's the honest opinion. Okay.